Good morning, friend. I am so glad that you are joining me today for a 10-minute gentle yoga for beginners. If you happen to have a block, make sure you have that handy, and a yoga strap. If you don't have a yoga strap, don't worry about it. You can use a belt or a towel that's rolled up, also works great. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so starting, if you have tight hips and you feel like you're curling in your low back like this and you're struggling to sit up straight, go ahead and grab your block, even a couple of pillows or cushions, and place it underneath your hips like so. Make sure that you're not dangling off the back at all. And let's just go ahead and bring our arms up, really lengthening your side bodies, looking up slightly if that feels okay for your neck. Good, and then just bring your left hand toward your right knee, little gentle twist here. Breathing in deeply and exhale. Reaching up one more time. Again, trying to draw up, drawing the length on the side bodies. And exhale, switching sides. Good, wonderful. Walking your fingertips forward, okay? If it's easier for you to remove your block, you can. We are not going very deep into this. We're just opening up the back body. So kind of arching just a little bit. Drawing your belly in and drop your chin down. 3 deep breaths here. And walking your hands back. Nice. Let's work on the neck for a little bit. Just dropping your chin down towards your chest. Being aware of the shoulders, try not to let them roll in, but keeping them back. And dropping your right ear over to the right side. And chin to the chest. And other side. Perfect. All right. Go ahead and come to all fours, moving that block out of the way for now, but keeping it handy because you may need it in a little bit. Placing your hands directly underneath your shoulders so that you have nice support. You can tuck your toes or go to the tops of your feet, whatever feels best on your kneecaps. If you have sensitive knees, you can also place a towel under your knees. And we're just starting with a couple of cat-cows. So exhale, you're gonna draw up like a turtle shell. Drop the crown of the head. And inhale, melt the heart, bend the elbows slightly. 2 more. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. 1 more. Exhale. And inhale. Good. Go ahead and have a seat back, grabbing your block if you're tight here. For a gentle child's pose, you're going to place your forehead onto your block. If your forehead does not quite meet the floor, if your forehead meets the floor, you don't need your block. And extending your arms forward, really sit your hips back onto your feet. 3 deep breaths here. And inhale, coming back up, Go ahead and find your way down to your seat, grabbing your strap if you need it. We're going to start by just extending one of our legs forward and then bending this leg. Now, if your knee is up here, you want to make sure that you use that block or a pillow, something to support your kneecap so that it's not kind of like dangling. That's not good for your kneecap. We always want to have the knees supported. And then grabbing your strap, placing it over your foot. It's okay if you have to bend your leg first, then place it, and then extend it. That works nicely too. And you're just gonna gently pull your heart towards your big toe. You'll feel this in your hamstring, and you can tighten up your grip a little bit, walking your hands slowly to your feet. If you're more limber, you don't need that. You can just forward fold wherever feels comfortable for you, where you feel a little bit of a pull, but we don't want like a super, nothing painful. We're just going gentle, just gentle. Last big deep breath. Nice. And release, switching sides. So we're going to extend the opposite leg this time. Again, make sure that your knee is always supported. If it's not on the ground, be sure to use a block or a cushion underneath that knee. Grabbing your strap, you can bend your knee if you need to, and then extend. And gently pull your heart towards your big toe. Right? You can choke up on that strap if you need to, or don't use a strap, but really draw the heart forward. Last big deep breath. And release. Nice. Wonderful. Coming back to all fours. Having your block handy, we are coming into a low lunge, okay? So you're just going to step your foot forward. Trying to get the hips to drop down. You can use your block to come up slightly so that you have something to support you, or you can place your hands on your knees, either one, or you can lift your arms. Whatever level you're feeling like today, go for it. Let's give it 2 more breaths here. Good, allow those hips to drop a little lower. Nice, and then you're just gonna sit back and extend this leg straight. Again, if you need your block, use it. If you're not even to the block, grab a chair. Whatever you need to kind of support that foundation so that you aren't wobbly at all. And you can go as low or as high as you need. Last big breath. And switching sides. Just coming to all fours. That's the easiest way. And then switching legs. Again, if you need a block or a chair, make sure you use it. It can be here, both hands on the knee, or arms up. You choose. Breathe, just getting into that front body a little bit. And release down. Sitting back, extending that leg, using your block if you need to. It can be a bent leg, wherever you're at today. Honor where you're at, however it feels. Last full breath here. Nice. Shifting back to all fours. And let's just go ahead and sit back onto our heels. If you need a little cushion to sit on or to sit on your block, you can do that too. Whatever you need. Nice. And just bring your hands over your heart. Taking 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more breaths just like that. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friend, for this gentle 10-minute yoga session. Have a beautiful day, my friend.